The fuck you say. The fuck you say. Even if I was in shape, even if I was ripped, even if I had pecs and a six-pack ab, the fuck you say.
This is a pair of underwear. At least I think it is. I went ahead and I got every color. This thing literally goes around your waist, and then you have this stretchy silicone thing that you stick your thing in, and it's underwear, guys. Check this out by Jock Mail. I got green, white, black, yellow, red, and blue. I have a 33-inch waist, and the medium fits me great, and look at how stretchy that is, you guys. This thing is super soft. It's gonna be comfortable for all day wear. So if you guys want a pair of extreme minimalist underwear, click the link right there and check them out.
In what fucking universe is that underwear? In what fucking universe is that underwear? And I don't give a shit what kind of underwear you wear. You rocking the tighty whities, you rocking the boxers, you doing like I do, the boxer briefs. I don't give a fuck if you're rocking a thong. In what fucking universe is that underwear? Let's just call that what it is, okay? That's a cock ring with a belt. And that's all that is. Underwear contains things. You know what I'm saying? Especially when you're talking about male underwear. Even when you get down into the thongs, even when you get down into the old banana hammocks, they contain things. Shit is packaged. You know what I'm saying? There's no package. There's no... You attached a cock ring to a stripped down bad belt. None of the little gadgets on it. That's what the... Please tell me that people are not walking around wearing this shit thinking it's actually underwear. If you want to wear it, wear it. If it's what turns you on, if it's what gets you off, if it's what excites you, knock yourself off. Knock yourself out. Get yourself off. Having said that, let's call it what it is. It's not underwear. But are people walking around thinking that's underwear? You guys are, aren't you? Some of you motherfuckers are walking around with a cock ring and a belt going, look at my underwear. Nuts just the inside of your fucking thigh. Ass hanging out. Not even like assless chaps either, right? Not even like something underneath the ass cheeks. Just ass hanging out, balls hanging out. You put a cock ring on a karate belt and went, look, I made underwear. No, you didn't. Oh my God. There are more days than not where I fear the fact that I'm closer to death than I am the younger years of my life. And then there are days where I'm like, you know what, I'm good. I'm good. I'm probably good if I never leave the fucking house again, to be honest with you. That's not true. I got a cruise coming up, and yeah, that's not true. I got to leave the house. I just got to avoid people who think that a cock ring on a utility belt is underwear. That's one of those straps you throw over the fucking cargo you got in your truck. And you took that and put a cock ring on it. Fucking underwear.